Presido Buhari don't give Ekiti state governorship candidate Abiodun Oyebanji APC party flag. Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari don yarn say Abiodun Oyebanji wey serve Ekiti state as chief of staff, commissioner and secretary to the state government go continue to serve as ogbonge governor when he enter the office. This one shele for State House Abuja on Friday. National chairman for APC, Senator Abdullahi Adamu kon yarn say Presido dey very happy as they don't get candidate wey go be governor for Ekiti state. Say he hope say he go find partners wey go follow join body for the journey. Atiku Bagudu wey be the governor for Kebbi state come follow yarn say he dey very happy and he go support the chairman, the party and the candidate. Abiodun Oyebanji wey be the APC Ekiti state governorship candidate come yarn say he dey happy for the ginger wey Presido don samaram and he promise say him go lead the people for front as he don put 11 years to serving people for Ekiti state. He come yarn say he go help bring prosperity come Ekiti and he no dey fear say all the ways him don serve go help am win election wey go shele for June. Kayode Fayemi wey be the governor for Ekiti state come chook mouth talk say for him own reign, him don make Ekiti better than he did before he come office for October 2018 and dem go make sure say everything dey well for office so the candidate wey be their own go continue from where he stop.
The president was very happy, very hilarious, in receiving the candidate and by the grace of God, the governor to be Ekiti state. And we are very grateful to our president, commander-in-chief, for the reception, very warm reception that he gave us very short notice. It is our hope that we will find in you partners in this journey. We have no regret whatsoever. We did some homework. We know what it takes to go through primaries, go through presidential campaign, go through election of the president. The enormity of work that has to be done. And this work will be done with money. And we don't want to continue going begging, particularly in an election like this. So I want to see that we are able to mobilize sufficient funds to support our efforts to win election. We wear the shoes of our party and we know where it pinches us.
He was very pleased with the curriculum vitae of the candidate and his record of service. And she assured the chairman and the party and the candidate maximum support.
I'm humbled and I'm fired up by Mr. President's comment when he received us today. And I'm grateful to my party for the confidence reposed in me as the standard bearer of the APC. And I promise to lead from the front. I have put 11 years into the service of my people in Ekiti State. I understand their visions and their aspirations. On Tuesday this week, we unveiled my manifesto, and the manifesto is to foster prosperity in Ekiti State and continue with the projects of the Kayode Fayemi administration. We are confident of victory because we are sure that if performance is a yardstick for electoral success, we have nothing to fear.
We definitely have made Ekiti better than how we found it when we came in October 2018. And the job is not finished. We will do everything we can to continue to run on full steam till the very last day in office, so that when our candidate, by God's grace, becomes the governor, he can hit the ground running.
Ogbonge people wey follow Oyebanji waka come State House na national chairman for APC, Senator Abdullahi Adamu, governor of Kebbi State wey be presidential council leader, chairman Progressive Governor Forum Atiku Bagudu, chairman Naija Governor Forum and governor for Ekiti State, Governor Kayode Fayemi, and national secretary for APC, Senator Yola Omishore. Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.